A little bit about the event and how it ran. They required each participant in the team to be able to display all the aspects of ADR. So we couldn't just go there preparing for one aspect. For every round, we had to interchange our roles from clients to counsels to mediators, so that we could, effectively and efficiently display that we were skilled at all of these. In terms of our team, we required a three-member team, and two of us were from India, and because of an inability of the third person to come, we were paired up with a third participant from Poland. So we had a mixed national team, and within three of our efforts, Christoph, Ashna, and me, Komal, it really turned out to be very, very good for all of us.
So the funny thing is that me and Komal, while we've been classmates for about 3 years, we only became friends, I think, 2 weeks before the competition. And even worse for us, I guess, in terms of this team thing, was that we met Christoph a day before the competition began. So, I mean, the fact that the three of us were able to gel together the way we did, because that was very important. I do believe that while, of course, I'm sure it wasn't the only reason we made it as far as we did, but it was definitely a contributing factor that the three of us got along and were able to support each other. And since we're talking about the competition and its preparation, I do feel that a special thanks is owed to one of our professors, Professor Patil, because over there all the other teams, they came with coaches, and we did not have ours with us. And over there during we have this 1 hour before the round begins called confidential information time, where we were allowed to talk to our coaches. Now, even though we did not have a coach and we were 3.5 hours behind on time, Professor Patil, he made time for us to be able to accommodate us, to be able to help us, train us in that 1 hour. So, we do want to take this time to thank him. We also want to thank this college for creating this platform and this opportunity and training us for ADR right since the first year, to make sure that we were in a position to be able to not only compete but win this competition.
Additionally, the cultural differences, it was extremely enriching, because it was not just regular, like we were Indians, we had the opportunity of talking to the Irish, the Czech, the judges, the judging panel in itself was so versatile that we had people coming in from Uzbekistan, from Ukraine, from US, from Lithuania. So it was very culturally enriching, and it was very interesting to see how we could breach those cultural barriers as a whole. Another thing was breaching language barriers, because it made us realize that, as Indians, we feel like, okay, we speak Hindi and everybody else out there speaks English. But I think it made us realize that how important it is to be able to decipher one another's accent and communicate effectively.
And funnily enough, I always used to think that our accent is not one which is, very understandable, and it's not one that sounds very sophisticated. But it actually did help us, because our accent ensures clarity. And we were up against, in the finals, we were up against an English speaking team, the Irish team, and there was no language barrier whatsoever. There was no need for anyone to repeat themselves, and don't worry, our English, our language and our accent is definitely up to par with the rest of the world.
Fortunately enough, as a team, we were fortunate enough to win the best negotiating pair in the preliminary rounds first. We also bagged the award for the best mediator opening statements, and then we eventually did end up winning the tournament all in all. It was surprise and obviously a lot of delight, because with teams that came in with so many coaches and countries that spanned all across Europe, being the only Asians and the only Indians was certainly something that was very nerve-wracking. But it turned out to be fruitful. All those nights of hard work definitely paid
I
off.
actually wasn't told that we were the only Asian team, because my teammate believes that that would scare me a little too much, which she was right about. It was an honor to be able to represent not just my college but my country, but it just took it to a whole other level to know that I was representing Asia. No, but it was an excellent experience all in all. I'm so grateful for the team that I had. I'm so grateful for the college, because they sent us, they had faith in us, and I'm so grateful to the Polish, because they hosted us. The organizing was excellent and it was an amazing experience all in all. She said that we competed against the Irish team in the finals, and so this competition had an excellent structure where there were 2 rooms where the finals were going on simultaneously. So in one room it was us against the Irish, and the second one was
The Danish again from the 21st to 26th of September, both of us were very fortunate to have the opportunity of representing not just our country but Asia at Poland for the INADR SWPS tournament. All in all, it was a very enriching experience. And there were multiple countries that were taking part in it. Multiple students applied for it, but only, thousands and thousands of students applied for it, but only there were 15 teams and 12 countries that were actually represented there. The competition, it comprised of 1.5 days of merely training us to level up all the participants' standards to be able to participate in such a competition. While we got the problems that we were competing over only about 4 days in advance, but in terms of preparation put into this event, it was a good few months of hard work that we did put into competing at this tournament. We were fortunate enough to be competing against the Irish team in the finals.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.